Hey, what's up, guys? Too bad Jeff's not with us, but we got a good camping trip going on. We wanted to take you with us, show you what we're cooking. We got 1, 2, 3 griddles and a grill set up. We'll give you a quick shot of that, but we're going to be taking snippets all weekend. It's Thursday night. We just got here a couple hours ago. We're going to be cooking. We're going to be showing some stuff. Not many recipes this weekend, but yeah, not
we're cooking.
We're having a good time. Thanks for joining us.
We're going to show you guys. So the kids are getting hungry. We got a bunch of dogs going right now. A couple hamburgers. The Blackstone right there. And we're not going to lie, we got another Blackstone over there. And we do have a grill over there. It's catching on fire. Matt, how are you? Say hi, Matt.
Hi.
We got Nate here. Bunch of kids. Marissa. What's your channel, Marissa?
No.
Yeah.
Man's Lego
Haley,
channel.
beautiful as always.
Man's Lego channel is mine.
Lego channel. Is it Lego?
Man's Lego channel.
All right.
Down in the description, look for a comment that says it, and that's my channel.
You
Make sure
got
you
it,
like
Matt.
and subscribe.
We got campers, we got guys, we got people. Again, we're doing a little bit of both this year, so we're gonna tell you like that. We got some happy people over there. How we're all set up.
Take whatever you want.
Oh, Mr. Michaud, say hello.
Oh, it's wonderful. You're gonna hit them with some of that seasoning on your left too.
Guys, day one of breakfast. We got Eric here cooking on the 36 Blackstone. Got some scrambled eggs going and some, what is that, hash?
A little bit of hash.
Griddle number 2. Got Brian throwing some seasoning all over some potatoes.
Yeah, make sure you got Bill doing nothing.
We got Bill doing nothing, picking his Bloody Mary. We got some bacon and some English muffins going on over here. We got some hungry kids in the background.
Someone was away.
All hungry, waiting to eat. We've already got them a couple of loads of bacon, so we're holding them over. Okay, guys, day 2 for camping here at the Griddle guys out in Old Orchard, Maine. Nate working diligently hard on some.
He's working 2 griddles.
We got so many potatoes that we're cooking here. He's using the big 36-inch and the 22-inch. And it's what, 85 degrees out probably right now, Nate? It feels like 110?
Feels warm.
And then we got marinated steak tips. We're actually using a regular grill on this. It's a Brinkman grill. It's a tailgate grill that we're going to use, but that's only 4 pounds. That's only the first batch. We got more coming behind it. And more over here. Anyway, day 2. Blackstone making a presence. Say hi, Eric, to the camera.
Hola.
Big Bad Bill. Big Bad Bill, say hello.
Got
There
Bill
you
doing
go.
nothing again.
Bill doing nothing. Wait, at least he's got a beer in his hand.
Beer in my hand, I'm waiting for the food.
All right, first round of steak tips. First round of steak tips here. Everybody's eating. We got some salads. Luke, good?
Yep. Was
Now
this
you
on
need-
your birthday?
Now you
Sarah?
need a knife.
Jaybird?
Delicious.
Auntie Karen?
Yes.
How we doing? We
It's
good?
good.
Some of that for you.
Delicious. This is so good. Yeah.
That's just round 1. We still have more taters on the griddle. Eric just got out of his seat and just wanted to eat a couple.
I heard they were
We
good.
got some steak tips still warming up here as they're waiting. And then we got steak tips going. A whole nother batch. We've got Coke and ketchup marinade. We got teriyaki. We got something called firecracker.
Coke and ketchup.
Coke and ketchup. What was yours? Smokies?
Yeah, chop house.
Chop house.
That's
And
the Coke and ketchup that you're eating.
and a couple house marinades from some of the local butcher shops. So good thing is everybody brought 2 pounds. So you bring your own, cook it, we mix it all up.
2 pounds, 4 pounds.
I'm sorry, 4 pounds of steak, that's right. So we got about 19, 20 people. Nothing will go to waste. Little heat, little heat.
Sweat. There's sweat going. What you got?
What I got? Got a lot of steak tips.
What you got for marinades?
Huh?
What you got for marinades?
This one's a house special that he got at Prime Butchers. This one's called Firecracker. It's some supposed to spicy marinade. And this is teriyaki right here. Good morning, guys. Last day of breakfast. We got some rain issues. Doesn't stop us. We covered up. We got some kids real hungry. We're cooking bacon, eggs, breakfast sandwiches. What are those?
Hash browns.
Hash browns. Sausage patties. Ham. Putting it together right now. Gonna feed the kids. Start off with. Eric's diligently working on bacon. Again, these are bacon machines. Let's say hi, Nate.
Morning. Those are fresh eggs. Just 1 minute, buddy.
How's the breakfast sandwiches, kids?
So good. You guys, how's the breakfast
good?
sandwiches? So good.
Awesome.
We got a horseshoe tournament going on over here this morning.